Hey friends, it's Tina with Lily AI Solutions. And I am here so excited because Lily AI Solutions officially launches tomorrow, October 10th. You guys, this is a tool that I've been working on so hard, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it for myself. So this is a tool for you to use for most of your content need and to assist you with some of your business needs as well. So it is not just to create content for social media, but it has other features built in as well. And I'm super excited that I'll be sharing all of this with you in the next weeks and possibly months, just depending, because I have a lot of content to share. Good news is most of it's ready. I am first releasing Social Flow, and Social Flow is kind of where I started when I wanted to build something similar just for myself, just to be able to post to social platforms and automate everything. And guys, it was taking me a long time. And so instead, I'm now have created a platform that is so much more versatile and it uses AI and is absolutely amazing. So I would encourage you to go ahead and follow me right now. So you'll make sure you do that so that you can catch all the upcoming demos and get the complete picture of what Lily AI Solutions will do. I will be doing demos throughout this week and next week. I'll keep them as short as I can. And with that said, I'm jumping in to Social Flow. All right, so I'm going to go to the left and I am going to click on Social Flow's dashboard. And so this is where a lot of the content lives for Social Flow. There is a menu option on the left panel that has other options as well. And we'll talk about that on another demo in the future. I'm going to focus on, honestly, the piece that really got me started wanting to build this platform. And when I saw how much it does and how much time it saves me, I knew there's content creators and business coaches and life coaches and people who have small businesses from home or even businesses in a brick and mortar. This can help so many different industries. And it all started with a vision I had for creating social media captions. So captions, images, videos, then have it schedule and post automatically. So let's go through that process together. So I'm going to start with a content pipeline, and this is where everything happened initially. And then I just kept adding more, just in my opinion, great features. But this is a feature that started it all. So this is the automated content pipeline. I'm just going to walk you through it and keep it, like I said, as short as I can. And I think for this particular one, I am going to choose problem solving as my theme. You can see there's a little blue or lavender check mark now. There is also an optional cinematic world visual style. So if I wanted to do problem solving as a superhero or a fairy tale and fantasy, Renaissance historical or techie AI futuristic, I can do that. I'm not going to do it in this example, but it's there. And then AI content style with pre-written options. So this is just this is a cinematic world visual style. And then you have the option to select one of these content styles and AI will run it based on first the content style that you're using. And then you do have the ability to use custom topics. So I'll open this up. This is where I started. I did this and then I added on the cinematic world. I added a few other features as well. But let me just start you with what I started with, okay? So I had this place where I could just, on each one of these rows, I would type a topic title, okay? Not any detail of the post itself, not the captions, right, and not the images or videos, but just what the topic is. And then if you are creative or you know your business and you know exactly what you're going for, you can absolutely just say whatever you want here. This is topic 1. So whatever you want, your topic that you're getting ready to create posts on, you could add them here as a custom topic. What you can also do is in the bottom right hand corner, you're going to see my Ava bot. So I'll click on Ava, and I'm just going to say create 5 custom topics for, I'll just say launching Lily AI social flow. And I'm also going to say do not include numbers, characters, or colons. And I'm only saying that because a lot of times otherwise it's going to put the number in front or a colon or some other characters, and you don't want that to carry into the actual title itself of the custom topics you're creating. Okay? And now I'm going to let Ava create these. Oh, I see, I forgot to say bullets. You see how the bullets are there? I should have said bullets as well. So I'm going to just copy this. It's not that big of a deal. It's just easier to do it ahead. Oh, it didn't even take me to put the bullets in here. That's even more awesome. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to close AvaBot back out. And now I have my 5 custom topics. I'll click Add Topics. In the bottom right, you can see it added 5 custom topics. And then we also had the option, and it's required unless you do the custom topics. We just did custom topics, which are applied here at the bottom. But instead, we could have decided to choose a category and put any of these categories in place. Okay. I will keep mine as is. I'll just say this is the type of topics I want. There's a queue job for background process option as well. And what that does is it just puts everything on the back end. And so it creates your content for you. It does not take long to create content, especially if you're working with images. Um, when you're doing videos, there's a couple of different video tool options. And depending on which one you choose, it can take less or more time, but it gives you instructions around that. So for me, I'm not going to do the job queue. If I was to take that option, there is a place where you can go in and look at your jobs. And as it builds, you can see it building and it lets you know when it's finished, okay? And then this is really cool. So the trending topics, what this does for you is it will let you actually, it will go out and search the internet for you. And if you select life coaching, business coaching, any of these options you see here, it's going to actually in real time search for trending topics for you. So you will always be in the know. You'll know what's current because Lily AI Social Flow can search for that information for you. Now, just one thing to take into consideration. When you start using this tool and you want to go ahead and use the trending topics, it may take a little bit longer for it to return that information for you because it hasn't been warmed up yet, okay? But that will get better as you use the trending feature, should you choose to. And again, you don't have to use the feature, but it's really cool to get those trending topics out there. I am not going to use this. Let's see. Like I said, I just want to make sure it was set back. Okay, I haven't loaded anything, so I'm good. So we're just using these 5 that I created here. And then it asked me what platform or platforms do I want this to be posted to. So you have options for Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, I'll probably just hide that for right now. I don't have anything set up for TikTok currently. So I'll probably just hide that just so you guys won't get confused on that. And so for my Facebook account, I'm using my Facebook page. The format that I want to choose for this is going to be let's say we'll do a Facebook post. You have 3 different tone types, or 4 different: professional, casual, funny, or inspirational. I do casual a lot, but I'm going to just click on professional. And then the length, depending on which social platform you are using, you might want to make the length different. If you were to select multiple platforms, as you can do, when it returns the information, it's going to show you what the layout would look like. Okay. So I'll go ahead and click those. And next, it's going to generate the captions. And remember, those captions are totally based on, in this case, applied topics. You could have used one of these choices as well. I'm going to click generate captions for these 5 and let's see what happens. Okay, it's generating and it will be at 100. Remember, you can always turn on queue jobs as well if you don't want to just sit and watch. It doesn't take that long, so I usually just, open up another screen, work on something else while it's taking place. Okay, so now you need to figure out your content type. It can create AI-generated visuals. It can create animated content with AI videos. It can use videos from the media library, or it can do story mode. So for what we're doing at this very minute, we're going to stick with images. And then there's this option here for generate engaging first comment. I always check that. The information is going to be found in your profile area under settings, and you will actually put what you want in there as your first comment. And it's super easy to set up. Everything that you receive with this product, you're going to have great documentation. Documentation is on everything, okay? And of course, I am always here available and ready to help when you start on this journey. Okay, so we're generating the images, and we can do auto image, just an AI image that it will return, or we can choose a visual theme. So if we want like a clean studio looking, or modern tech, or dark cinematic, we can choose this style, or we can choose scroll stopping. So we could choose something from scroll stopping. For our example, I'm just going to do auto image. My image style, I think I'll keep as, realistic for now. Actually, let me change it to video style ad. And then the subject filter, you can either choose one of these selections or not. It's entirely up to you. You can also click on custom and put in a custom. And that basically means that the content that gets returned to you is going to be based on this information, whether it's just all women or a cute dog. All that's going to be coming into play somehow on the post image that returns. Okay, so I'll keep video ad style for it here. And this was the custom filter, and I have it set to custom right now. I'm going to say women only. 5 have generated. And let's see what we got. Okay, elevate your social media strategy with Lily AI Social Flow. If I click here, I can see the full caption. And right now for first comment, all I have in my profile currently, this is a test profile. I'm just saying get great posts, but you could put, if you have a freebie that you're offering, you could add that information here, put website links or whatever you would normally do when you post a post on your social platforms. Hashtags. All right. If I didn't like the image, I could regenerate it. I can also have options to upload it to other platforms within Lily AI Solutions. You can download it directly to your desk, so you'll have a copy of it there. And there's also a library within Lily AI Solutions, so you can save it there. So you can look at each one and decide, is this something I want to post? Would I rather not post it? Um, let me get the caption here so you can read through the captions of each one. And so, once you go through them all, you might decide, yeah, I like them, but there's a couple I don't like. And then you can decide if you want to regenerate, or from this point here, I can just uncheck it, and then it's not going to be scheduled or posted for you. It will ignore that, okay? And so I'm going to uncheck this one as well. And you can also look at doing the preview, okay? And so this is a way to do manual posting. There's also a way to do automated posting, which is what I do. But it gives you all the information, and then you can see how it's going to look. And you can copy and download the image as well from here. And you can choose to post it from here as well. All right, so I'm only going to choose one. Choose the bottom one there. So I'm unchecking everything. I already have my schedule set up. So you connect to your social platforms in the settings area. There's a place there that you would do your connections. Again, I have awesome documentation on how to do it, but I'm also more than happy to set up a call with you and walk you through it. So I am here to help you be successful with this tool in any way I can. Okay, so I said, okay, I think I want to just do this post. So I can choose to post it now, or I can choose a different date and a different time. And you would do that with every one of the posts that you've created. Now you could always uncheck some, like I did. But for this one, I just have this one post. I can choose to post it now. And I can also do a confirm and schedule all. So let me click that. Oh, I didn't uncheck everything. So 3 posts across 3 platforms is what's happening. And so the content has been scheduled, and it's scheduled based on the dates that we saw on the previous screen. It looks at the different algorithms and determines for whatever your niche is, whoever your audience is, it determines the best time to post every piece of content. So that comes into play. But you can always go back in and change the times and the dates as you see fit if needed. Now let me go to the view scheduled posts. And I probably did I set it up? Okay. Okay, because I'm on my demo account. Okay, so information is here. It's pending review right now. I'm not going to go into that. It's simple to do, but it's on another screen, and I promise to try to keep this short. So you can see you have Facebook. Again, you can see the actual caption. It has hashtags on it. The image is just for reference. The image is not going to show it in the post itself. But you can see I have it, so it's going to go to LinkedIn, and it's going to go to YouTube as well. I can edit and change the date here. If I wanted to, I could go ahead and post it right now, should I choose to do so. But I'm not going to go through that process. But all you do now is you wait. You wait for that time. You wait for that date. You can schedule your content for a week. You can schedule your content longer. And remember, you can always have things sit in the queue until it finishes the generation process. It's amazing. It's amazing. Wish I could show you more. I'm going to probably do a complete class on this once the launch happens tomorrow. And the $49 special is going on until January 15th. So it's early adopter special. Again, that information or that particular type of subscription is $49 a month forever. And a benefit of that is you get new releases before people that are not early adopters, and can help with enhancements requests, and kind of be real tight in with the tribe. Okay, so that is an option for you as well. And you can just scroll through this information. I'll be sure to put the link to this in the comments as well. Again, make sure you follow so that you can see all the amazing demos that are coming up. You guys, it's going to blow your mind. I'm telling you, it's really that good. Um, okay, that's it. I will end it now. I could go on forever, but I'm going to end it. And thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Like I said, go ahead and follow and share this out with your friends so that they can get an opportunity to see the rest of the demos that I'll be doing as well. Until next time, my friends, make it a great day.